Hi friends, I'm Mariam, and today we're visiting a magical place inside your body, your stomach. It's a food factory that turns your meals into energy for everything you do. Your stomach's a factory, busy all day breaking down food in a magical way. From pizza to apples and veggies too, it makes energy just for you. Acids and enzymes work as a team, breaking down food like a magical dream. Proteins, carbs, and fats so neat all become fuel for your body to eat. Having fun so far? Give this video a like and let me know, what's your favorite food to fuel your body? Your food gives you energy to run and play, to learn to grow and save the day. Thanks to your stomach, it's all just right, working so hard day and night. Your stomach turns food into energy. Your stomach's a factory full of might, turning food to energy day and night. Thanks for joining me. Now go have some fun. Subscribe to MIMS for more adventures, everyone. Subscribe to MIMS for more magical journeys.